Hag up dude presents. So me and Sol got a job to find a criminal. And Sol forced me to do this. Help me. The office looks insane. So this is our chief for today's job. I don't want to be here. Nice. All right, General Poncho. I will not take anything seriously. Okay, never mind, I will take things seriously. All right, what's the point in being here actually? No, you call me here for this guy. That's crazy. I'm just gonna skip this part because it's so boring. So currently, we are in the elevator right now. And I think we are gonna go down to get a plane to save the captain. I am ready, sir. I actually hate Sol so much for taking me here. Wait, nitrogen monoxide, Sol. That is the last time I'm hating on Sol. Anyways, let's continue on this adventure. And let me just cut the clip. So currently, we are about to hop on the plane. And sorry guys for this boring video, I couldn't think of anything else. I'm gonna cut the clip again cause it's so long. So currently, we are in the air now. Why is there just some random bananas? You don't say, General Poncho. Why did Ronald actually do all of this? What, it's poisoned, we're all gonna die. It was nice knowing you all. You're telling me General Poncho pranked us? I'm gonna kill him. We just woke up from a nap and now it's night time. The jet is broken, we're all gonna die? Guess we have to go out there and help him. Okay, actually, this is kinda scary. How did bro just die? Time to lock in. How can bro talk if he fell off the plane minutes ago? Bro WTH, did he come back? I'll see you all when we are gonna save the people. Okay, we are here now, time to save those people. But it looks like we need a hammer first. Man, Ronald, shut up, I'm gonna kick your butt when I see you. Time to open this door. There you are, Ronald, I'm gonna kick you're a # and underscore. Get back here, coward. Okay, so me and Sol saved all the people, but we need to save the captain. Now he's in danger in there with Ronald. Who's gonna talk to Ronald? Guess Sol's gonna be the brave one to talk to Ronald. I sped this up because this was gonna be a long talk. Ronald. We need get off of this plane before it crash. We escaped the plane. We have done it, but what about General Poncho? Will he be okay? No, General Poncho died. Press F to pay respect to General Poncho. He was a good leader. Goodbye, General Poncho. You will be missed. Thanks for watching.